Okay. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're okay. I think we're okay. Okay. So we're gonna do a few stretches. Corinne Ray did not bring her yoga mat.
You serious?
Well, first let's tell the people what we're doing. Okay, hold on, folks.
Right.
I'm Corinne Ray. That's Yoga Bae.
Hi guys.
Yoga Bae. All right. So if you guys don't know, that is my sister. She is my blood sister. We don't pretend to be sisters. She's my real sister. Today's kind of special because she is going to teach me something that I've always wanted to learn. And when I tell you that I've always wanted to learn how to do handstands, I just always felt like I would break my neck. Yes. But with her professionalism and her professional technique and showing me this, I will hope and achieve to not break my neck.
Right. Okay. So I'm gonna be the one teaching you some things because we'll have one yoga mat. We have one yoga mat, so I don't want to do it with
we are going to. She's going to show me, and then I will attempt it. We are not going to try this at the same time
because folks. We have one yoga mat. No. Okay. Well, for two, Sharice, you're gonna stand up just a little bit. Because we need to stretch, and I feel like you're not going to really see. Oh, we can't. They can see us.
I can break it down a little bit.
Okay. But that's fine. Okay, we're going to do a few stretches.
Okay.
For our inner core. Yes. We're going to do a few stretches so that we can get settled. So we get on the yoga mat.
Do it! Okay, I'm on that.
Okay. So for 1 and for 2, we're just going to do a few breathing in and out. Just a few. We'll rise our hands up. I'm going to have to move a little bit from you because I don't want to hit you. Bring it back down. Take a few more breaths. Bring it back up. Bring it back down.
I really, Courtney, want to adjust this. There's got to be a way for us.
That's fine that you're behind me. That's fine. Okay, so we're gonna do a couple breathing stretches.
Okay.
What we're gonna do is now, guys, what I love to call this.
So no head?
Is just trying to relax your back and your hips and your legs. With your legs, a lot of your weight will be put on your legs, but it's good for your glutes and it's good for your thighs. So what we're going to do now first, we're going to do a quick breathing in and out. Hands up, up, up. Soften back down. Exhale out. And do a couple of those. Big breath in. Exhale out. Now we're just going to bend the knees just a little bit. We're going to curve down to where our chin is in our neck, and we're going to just kind of sit and lay there and kind of relax your shoulders and your head. Just give it a minute. Just relax. We'll bring it back up. Into dog cat position, which will be on the floor. We're going to get into a stack position with our legs. I really want you to have your yoga mat. Okay. And now we're going to do a few exhales in, covering our back in, bringing our chest close to our chest. And then exhaling out. Bringing our neck all the way up to the sky. That again. Do that another time. Exhale out, bringing your chest up and bringing your chin up to the sky. abdomen back and bringing your chin back into your chest. A little pocket. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to lift up with our legs, like so. Let's take a deep breath in. Now, this is the tricky part. What you have to do.
Okay, so here's where I am going to watch Yoga Bae,
I was going to say that.
and she is going to demonstrate the technique to me, and then folks, we'll see if I can get it down.
Right.
The floor is yours, my darling.
Okay, so again, like I said, guys, we're going to check our homework. Once we finish doing that, we'll lay our hands flat back on the mat, resting our elbows on the mat. We'll place our hands back in. We'll create a little pocket.
Pause one more time. Why is your phone off?